This video is about mass number. This question says, for this isotope, determine the number of subatomic particles. We have 15, 8, 0, and we're looking for the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. So this number up here, that's the mass number. And mass number is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. This number down here, that is the atomic number. That is equal to the number of protons. And so just FYI, you might see this written a slightly different way sometimes. Another way to write this isotope is oxygen-15 with the mass number at the end. All right, so protons, that one's easy. That's just the number at the bottom. So for oxygen, that number is 8, and it's always going to be 8 for oxygen. For neutrons, we're going to take the mass number minus the atomic number. That's because it's protons plus neutrons minus the protons. That leaves you with just the neutrons. 15 minus 8 gives you 7. So there are 7 neutrons. Now for electrons, those are going to be equal to the number of protons because there's no charge written in on this atom. So there are 8 electrons and 8 protons as well. This question says, an isotope has an atomic number of 11 and a mass number of 24, and we're looking for protons, neutrons, and the element identity. So we're going to remember that atomic number is the number of protons, and mass number is protons plus neutrons. So protons is right there in the question. That's 11. And neutrons we have to calculate. We have that the mass number is 24. We're trying to find neutrons, so we're going to go mass number 24 minus atomic number, which is 11. That gives us 13. So there are 13 neutrons. Now the element identity is based on the number of protons. Number of neutrons may change. There could be 37 neutrons in this, but if there are 11 protons, that's what you base the element on. So in this case, you look at the periodic table and you can see that the element is sodium, or Na.